Hello student, today I am going to explain the cell cycle. Cells are structural and functional unit of life. All the living organisms, whether unicellular or multicellular, require the cells to divide for their growth, development and reproduction. There are several examples which can be cited to understand this. For instance, a single celled zygote divides and redivides to form a large number of cells, which ultimately leads to formation of multicellular organism. In plants, cell division in meristematic tissue is responsible for growth as well as formation of new shoots, leaves and roots throughout the life of plant. Living organism can be classified as eukaryotic or prokaryotic. In eukaryotic cell, two type of cell division are known, that is mitosis and meiosis, out of which mitosis occurs in somatic cells and meiosis occurs in gamete. For cell division to occur, cells undergo a process called as cell cycle. Cell cycle is a series of events that takes place in a cell which involves duplication of its DNA, that is DNA replication, and its division to produce daughter cells. There are four phases of cell cycle, that is G1, S, G2 and M phase, along with a GO phase. GO phase is also known as resting phase. Cell division is a strictly regulated and control process. It means that a cell will undergo the process of cell division only when formation of new cells is required. Otherwise, no unnecessary cell division occurs in living organism. Now, we can better understand why GO phase is called resting phase. When a cell is not dividing, it is said to remain in resting phase and cell cycle is paused or halted. But when formation of new cell required, cell cycle is resumed. Except M phase, rest of cell cycle is known as interphase. G1 is the first phase of interphase. From the end of the M phase till the beginning of DNA synthesis is called as G1 phase. In G1 phase, metabolic changes prepare the cell for division. At a certain point, the restriction point, the cell is committed to divide and move to S phase. It is also called the growth phase when the cell increases its protein, number of organelles and size. In S phase, DNA synthesis replicates the genetic material. Each chromosome now consists of two sister chromatids. It is also known as synthetic or replicative phase, where replication of DNA occurs. Next one is G2 phase. In this phase, metabolic changes assemble the cytoplasmic materials necessary for mitosis and cytokinesis. G2 phase is the period between S and M phase. In this phase of cell cycle, rapid cell growth occurs which prepare cell for mitosis. M phase is mitotic phase where karyokinesis means division of nucleus followed by cytokinesis occurs. The period between mitotic division, that is G1, S and G2, is known as interphase.